Got a Stihl FS 80 here on the bench. I just wanted to show you what was going on here. The customer brought it in, didn't give me a whole lot of information, just said it wouldn't start. So I go through and I'm starting to check this out. It's got spark. First thing I do, check the fuel. It did have good mixed fuel in it, but the fuel filter inside the tank was laying in the bottom of the tank. It was not connected to the fuel line. I popped this fuel filter apart, and as you can tell, that filter cartridge is completely caked with dirt. Even the white parts here are almost the same color as the filter cartridge. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and pull the carburetor apart on this thing. I popped the fuel pump side off, and the internal screen is completely packed. This thing has been running lean for a long time. It has scored the piston and cylinder due to running with those cracked fuel lines, plug the inlet screen on the carburetor, and we've also got a leaking crank seal on the flywheel side of this engine. We've got a massive crank seal leak. This was a good series of trimmers. It just goes to show what can happen if you don't take care of your equipment. Here's something else that I noticed when I pulled the engine loose from the motor housing. The clutch is missing 2 clutch springs. One of the clutch retainers is broke. This machine has just been run till it couldn't run anymore, and it's been neglected, and it's end of the road for this machine.